You have a great table for you to sit and watch TV with your friends and also to have dinner with. And at this area, you can just lie down here to chill or read a book. Here we have a really spacious wardrobe